Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Honda Accord sound better. Many Accord owners seek to improve their car's auditory experience, both inside and out. A great starting point is upgrading the exhaust system. This modification can transform your vehicle's engine note from subtle to a more pronounced, sporty growl, enhancing your driving pleasure significantly. When considering exhaust upgrades, you have several options. A catback system replaces everything from the catalytic converter back, offering a comprehensive sound change. Axle-back systems are a more straightforward, less expensive option, primarily changing the muffler. You can also fine-tune your sound with different resonators or high-flow catalytic converters for optimal performance and acoustics. Beyond the engine, enhancing your Accord's interior audio is another excellent way to improve its sound. Swapping out factory speakers for quality aftermarket options can provide crisper highs and richer mids. A new head unit, or car stereo, often includes better digital-to-analog converters and more powerful amplification, delivering a much cleaner and more dynamic listening experience for all your favorite tunes. To complete your audio transformation, consider adding a dedicated subwoofer for powerful, resonant bass. An external amplifier will ensure all your new components receive adequate power, maximizing their performance. Finally, installing sound deadening material in your doors and trunk can significantly reduce road noise, allowing you to hear every detail of your music with exceptional clarity and depth.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.